In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Favorites so you can quickly access the spaces, folders, and lists you care about most without digging through a long sidebar every time. Let's start with what favorites actually are. In ClickUp, favorites are basically shortcuts to the workspaces and views you use most often. Instead of scrolling through your entire hierarchy of spaces, folders, and lists, you can pin the important ones as favorites, and they'll be just a click away. This is especially helpful if you're part of multiple teams or large workspaces where things can get cluttered. First, make sure you're looking at your ClickUp sidebar. This is the panel on the left side of your screen that shows your spaces at the top and then the folders and lists nested inside them. This is where you'll choose what to favorite. To add something to your favorites, move your mouse over the item you want. It could be an entire space, one specific folder, or a single list you use all the time. When you hover over it, right-click on that item. A small menu will appear with a set of options related to that space, folder, or list. In that menu, look for the option labeled Favorite and click it. As soon as you do this, ClickUp will add that space, folder, or list to your favorites bar. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see favorites appear at the top of your sidebar or in a dedicated favorites section. It might show with a star icon or in a clearly marked area so you can recognize it right away. From now on, whenever you need to jump back to that space, folder, or list, you don't have to scroll around or search for it. Just go to your favorites section and click it. This can save a lot of time if you're checking the same project, client folder, or personal task list multiple times a day. You can repeat this same process for as many items as you want. If you work in several spaces across different teams, you might favorite one key space from each team. If your work is more project-based, you might favorite just the folders and lists that are currently active. The idea is to build a small collection of high-priority locations that match how you actually work. Over time, you might want to clean up or adjust your favorites. If something is no longer important, you can remove it from favorites by right-clicking it again in the sidebar and deselecting or unchecking the favorite option from that same menu. This won't delete the space, folder, or list itself. It simply removes the shortcut from your favorites area, keeping things tidy and focused. A quick tip, try to keep your favorites list relatively short. If you favorite everything, it stops being a shortcut and starts feeling like another long list. Choose the spaces, folders, and lists you access every day and review them occasionally as your priorities change. That's all there is to it. By right-clicking any space, folder, or list in your sidebar and selecting favorite, you can set up a simple, personalized navigation system inside ClickUp that keeps your most